My grandsons have volunteered to help me with a science experiment about friction. This was adapted for a second grade class, but could be used for upper level or even lower, just by changing some of the dynamics. These are the items you will need for this experiment. One is a board between 30 and 36 inches in length, a yardstick, and then 4 pieces of wood that are all the same size and shape and weight. The only difference is one of them will be covered in tinfoil, another in sandpaper, a third in wax paper, and the fourth will not be covered at all. It will simply be left as a wooden block. Jackson is going to be the student who makes sure the board does not move on the table. Jordan is going to be the ramp man to lift the board up, and Jaden is going to be the meter man or yardstick man. He's going to be the one to tell us the measurement. So, Mr. Jaden, if you will get ready. This would be what you as the teacher would demonstrate before you begin the actual scientific experiment. You want to show the children what is going to happen in their small groups. So, Jordan, which one of these should we do first? Okay, we're going to do wax paper first. And so your board man is down here with his hand making sure the board doesn't go beyond that point. Jordan, you're the ramp man. Okay, you lift it by myself. Yep, lift it slowly. Slowly, slowly. The minute it starts to move and goes down, he will stop. And Jaden, where did it measure?
13 inches.
13 inches, very good. Now, as a teacher, okay, gentlemen, we are done with you. You can go sit over there with the photographer. Thank you, excellent job. Each group will do each of the blocks 4 different times. They will record what they found on a science experiment page, like this one. First of all, they would have understood what the question was. What am I trying to figure out here? Well, you're finding out about friction. Do different surfaces create a different amount of friction? So that could be the question. The hypothesis, Jaden, come over here and tell me what a hypothesis is. What's a hypothesis?
Your thoughts or what you think would do.
Alrighty, very good. And Jaden, just as an example, in this experiment, which one of these do you think will go down the ramp at the highest level? The board at the highest. Which one do you think?
The sandpaper.
Sandpaper. And why do you think that?
Because it has the most friction on the board.
Excellent. Thank you very much. That was good answering. After the children do each one 4 times, they'll write the average of the 4, and then they will write in the conclusion, my hypothesis was correct because, or my hypothesis was incorrect because. It's a great experiment. It's hands-on. It's a wonderful way for kids to learn about friction. Was that 4 minutes?